Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a brand new unboxing of a new microphone which I ordered at Amazon. So let's get started. So first thing was I got this like right at the last moment because I needed this for a shoot which was very urgent the very next day. So let's just open up the Amazon package and see what I have got. So I got this microphone, which is the Boya BY-PVM1000, which is a condenser microphone. It's actually a shotgun microphone, and it's a condenser shotgun microphone, and it is amazing. Very thin. I've used this. I've seen people using this before, and the reviews also say it is amazing. This was mainly bought so that I can use it with my camera, which is this one right here. And if you guys have not yet checked out this cage unboxing video, do go check it out, link in the description box below, and I'll also do a review on it shortly. But for now, let's open this box and check what is there inside this and what all can be done. So things in the back which is written as features, which are the broadcast quality condenser microphone, 2-step high pass filter, 48 volt phantom power, type is a supercardioid, polar pattern, condenser microphone, frequency response 25 to 20,000 hertz. Okay, it's good. Package contents, everything is mentioned, but let's see. The packaging is actually a bit weird because it is coming out like this. I'm not sure whether it's supposed to, but anyways, let's see. So let's just open the box and voila. So as soon as you open the box, you just see this very big Boya pouch, which is really good. See an instruction manual, and you see the dead cat filter also, which is there. So that is really good. Let's open this pouch, and oh wow, okay, this is crazy. The real mic is here, the real deal. Got some packaging, okay, some extra wire I guess, and the main XLR cable. This is actually very padded, so it is actually really good, and I like that. So good feature, Boya. And this is not the first time I'm ordering a Boya product. I've also had a small shotgun from them before, which I use for my vlogs and everything. So let's just remove this all and see the entire mic. Wow, this absolute beautiful. It's black in color, and it's a pencil condenser or a shotgun microphone, and it is good. It has a XLR output, so that is also good. So it is an XLR cable output to a 3.5 mm jack, because this goes directly into the camera, and it is also supposed to be used like that. But you can also use like a normal XLR cable as well, and you can still use it, but this is really good. So let's look at the shotgun microphone protection, or whatever you call it. So it's just hold this, and yeah, that won't move. So there are these net kind of cables, and they've also given extra ones, so in case it comes out. So that is what basically removes the hum, and not only the hum, but if there is any shake in this, it has a very big pickup response, or a big pickup frequency. So that is why they have attached this, so that even if you move it a lot, then like that as well, you won't get it in the microphone. That's really good feature, and I really like that. So let us first put the battery in this, and then so you simply just screw off this part in the back, and then you'll find a AA battery which is required. Once you insert the AA battery, it's pretty much, I recommend switching it on like that. You just screw back the thing normally. It does not take much power, so you have to like replace it. Depends on also the usage of the microphone, if you're using it on a very often basis. but for me I think my use is going to be very limited. And if I'm not using the microphone for a really long time, I generally, for not only microphone but any device for that matter, if I do not use it for a long time, then I just switch off the device. And not only that, but I also remove the batteries or whatever is there in it. So this is what it finally looks like. Looks great and looks amazing as well. You either have an option of putting this filter on, or else, which is one of my favorite as well, the dead cat. Oh, this is super soft. This is really good. I really love this. And let's just put this in. Okay, it is actually way. Oh, okay, my bad. So you're supposed to put this first. Am I doing it right, guys? Because this one is too big then. And let me just fluff this up a bit and then just put this in. Yes, this is how it is supposed to go. And look at that. That looks so good, looks professional as well. And you can literally use this for anything which is shooting a video, like if you're doing it in your YouTube setup or anything like that, you can also use it over there. Or else, better, if you're shooting any films or anything like that also, you can do it. So let me put this on top of my video camera and let's see how it will look. So I've got my camera right here, and this goes right on top of the hot shoe or cold shoe mount, whatever you want to call it. There you go. This looks like a professional rig itself now. If I probably add like a monitor and anything like that, it'll become even more bigger. And I'll probably also do a setup video like that on what exactly is there in my microphone and how is my entire setup rigged, because many of you guys were also asking that on doing a video. And most request was also of what's in my camera bag review video. All that will come pretty soon. All you guys just have to do is wait a bit, and yeah, patience is key. So put it like that, and then the wiring, which probably goes through there. And let's see whether we are getting a pickup signal. First we need to switch on the microphone. Hello. Okay, so basically if we record, let's just do a test footage. Okay guys, this is testing from the new Boya BY-PVM1000 microphone. The pickup signal was actually very low. It was only 4, like the pickup signal was only, the sensitivity was only 4. Let's try increasing it, and anyways you won't get that good of a sound because the mic generally has to be pointed directly like this. So let's try now, and we are getting a great pickup signal. So 11 or 13 is generally where I keep it. Yo guys, what is up? So this is a test signal from the Boya BY-PVM1000 microphone connected to a Nikon D7200, and it just has a great pickup signal. I really like it. Okay guys, so this is currently a test with the Boya. This is a microphone which I'm currently using the pencil condenser face towards me, so this is literally crisp and amazing audio clarity which you guys are currently getting. And this microphone sensitivity is at about 11% or 11 out of 20, and this is an average which I keep for most of my microphones. So this is really good, and I hope the voice is also crystal clear. And yeah, let's get back. Now let's quickly switch to the double high pass filter mode and test it. Yo guys, what is up? So this is a test with the double high pass filter, which is great, and yeah, I really like it. So this is just gonna be a test, and yeah, that is overall what it sounds like from this bad boy, and I really love it. I'm already fallen in love with it, so it'll be great to use in future films and stuff like that, and it'll look great as well. So thank you guys so much. Do stay tuned for a detailed review on this microphone, as I'm going to be using it on shoots as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have watched it all the way till here, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys on a brand new video. Take care.